Hi guys, and welcome to the Shop With Me video. Today you will be shopping with me at Target. This is part 4 of this series, and thank you so much. If you're new and joining in, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. And if you're always here with me and been here since day one, welcome back. Thank you so much for all your support. And let's get into this Shop With Me. Thanks so much for hanging out with me with the Shop With Me. I love these towels here. And if you missed part 3 featuring Dollar General, or part 2 featuring Homegoods, or even part 1 featuring Tjmaxx, don't worry, I have placed them at the end of this video for your convenience. Thanks so much, and we will see you on the next series. Hi, and welcome back to part 3 of my Shop With Me series. This is going to be a Shop With Me at Dollar General. If you've been following me for a while, you know I'm trying to shop for things for my new home. I'm in the process of storing a lot of my items in my old home because we're staging it, and I'm going to store all of the things that I buy in my storage. So you'll see most of this in the new home. You won't see it right away, but apparently Dollar General is having a sale between July 19th and July 25th, and they're going to have major deals like these pillows, buy one get one 50% off. And there is this YouTuber I've been following recently, and I'm going to leave her link in the description box. I tried to duplicate some of her couponing ideas and I failed, but I thought it was kind of cool. She got 11 items from Dollar General that totaled $27 and a little change, and she ended up spending, after extra deals that she had, $5, a little over $5 for the entire transaction. So If you're in the market for buying a home or trying to actually refurnish a brand new home or apartment, you definitely want to catch those deals. And this is part 3 of my shopping series, my Shop With Me series, and it's been fun. But if you missed part 1 and part 2, for your convenience, I will go ahead and add those at the end of this video. And I will also definitely appreciate it if you're new. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you have been with me since day 1, you know you are appreciated. Thank you so much. And this is a short Shop With Me video, a little over 2 minutes. But thanks everyone, and I will see you on the next series. Enjoy the rest of the Shop With Me. Hi guys, and welcome back to my Shop With Me series. If you watched part 1, you've already shopped with me at Tjmaxx. If you're new, this is part 2, and today everybody will be shopping with me at Homegoods. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please feel free to subscribe if you like this content, and everyone enjoy. so much for coming along with me on this Shop With Me series. If you've already watched part 1 of this series with Tjmaxx, thanks so much. If you haven't, I've left it or added it to the end of this video for you to enjoy at your convenience. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you on the next series. Hi guys, thanks for watching this Shop With Me video. Today we're going to do part 1 and it's going to be featuring Tjmaxx, and we will be doing the part 2 very soon with Target. If you haven't done so already and you're new to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed and you're returning, thank you so much for the love. So we'll go ahead and get started and get into this Shop With Me video.